If you happen to click on this video, that means that you are trying your best to save some money and learn how to do some faux locs. So let's get into it. Starting off, I purchased the Bobby Boss New Looks 14-inch faux locs. And this here is the free tris pre-fluffed, because your girl is struggling saying this, pre-fluffed hair. And that's the hair that you're going to use to basically wrap the locks. Now, this here is my adjustable band gel pot, which I got off of Amazon. My clips, scissors, combs, you name it. I have everything. I specifically use wide tooth combs when it comes to doing anyone's hair who is natural. This gummy gel is on point. I love using it whenever I'm doing hair, my foam, anti-frizz serum, Tresemme hold spray. These products I took over time to build because things like to add up. And this is a rack that I use whenever I'm braiding, gonna do some faux locks, you name it. This is great because it's kind of like you're getting everything organized before you get into doing hair. Now, if you used any of these products, let me know, but I'm just showing you this cap because I'm about to wash her hair. I didn't show that process. I just showed the aftermath where I blow dried her hair. I always use a blow dryer that has an adjustable comb. And that attachment is really good when it comes to blow drying the hair to just get it as straight as possible. So as you can see, I slept on my adjustable band on. I'm getting everything ready. Got my gel in my little pot and I'm just ready to get to work. So what you're going to do is you're going to start off by plaiting the hair, but you're not going to braid it all the way down. You're just going to go halfway because the point is to get that crochet that you see, open up that section a little bit more, put it through the halfway braided plait, and then you're going to continue to plait the hair down. Because I'm using my camera and I'm trying to get used to things, I had to kind of make things work. I recorded halfway on my phone and the rest on my camera because your girl is trying to learn how to use this camera. You're going to then take your crochet hook, you're going to insert it through the plait, and it's not painful or anything. I always ask my clients if they're comfortable, if there's any tension or anything, any pulling, to let me know so I can, get things rolling. Next, you're going to wrap the hair in this direction. And this is going to ensure that your lock does not unravel. You're just going to keep going down and make sure that when you're going up to form a little knot just to ensure that there is no unraveling. But this concludes my mini tutorial of how I did mini faux locks. She loved her hair. This is perfect for children ages 7 and up, especially if they like to play a lot. But if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.